Welcome guys. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about monoliths. What is a monolithic architecture and how things are there. So basically, when each every company, when even Amazon started or Facebook started, let's say, they started fixing things from the monolithic architect. They started their journey from the monolithic architecture. So, whatever the company may be, it's Gmail or Google introduced Gmail. So, each and everything was started with monolith. Now, the question arises, what is a monolith architecture? So, basically, as the name itself denotes, the monolithic architecture is a single or a one architecture that is centralized. That is centralized. What does that means? It means all layers of the application, of the web application, are centralized into a single unit. They are combined together. Cool. So that is the motivation behind the monoliths. So again, I'll tell you that all the layers, whether it's front end, it's back end, or the database layer, all of them are combined into a single layer in case of monolith. Cool. So basically it means that all the code is written plus deployed together. That's the main thing. It's written and it's deployed together. Cool. Now, for example, uh, when Instagram started, or let's say when LinkedIn started, so these are now are very big giants in the industry, big giants. But back then, they also were built on the monolith architecture. Cool. Now, when do we use monolith architecture? When do we use a monolith architecture? So, there are certain cases when we can use a monolith architecture. When we need the same code base, we need the same repository, we have to deploy it with the same machine. Cool. So in these cases, we'll use a monolith. Cool. So just the code modification is difficult in this case because everything is written line by line. So the modification part is difficult in case of monolith. So when these big tech giants like PayPal, Facebook, they started, all of them were on monolith architecture. Cool. So also another advantage is when we cannot compromise with the latency. We cannot compromise with the latency. We use a monolith because it serves us in real time response. There's not much lag in the request that we put and the response that we are getting. There's not much lag. Cool. So because there is communication between only a single layer, everything is here, only communication takes place in a single layer. So that's why it serves us in real time. The request response does not take much time. Cool. So some other advantage of monoliths are that it's comparatively easy to secure because everything is present in a single code base. Our repo is same. Cool. Code base is same. So it's comparatively easy to secure. This is one important thing. Another is that the testing of application is easy because only we have this code base and we just need to write unit test cases and we'll be good to go. So these were few things that we needed to know about the monolith architecture. In the next lecture, we learn about the distributed systems. We learn about distributed systems. So thank you for joining. We'll meet you in the next class.